Meaning of impudence.
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 Impudence. Impudence refers to a disrespectful or insolent attitude or behavior towards someone in authority. It is a brazen disregard for social norms or expectations. An impudent person may display arrogance, rudeness, or lack of consideration for others. This type of behavior is generally considered unacceptable in both personal and professional settings. Those who are consistently impudent may face consequences such as loss of employment or strained relationships with colleagues or superiors. Overall, impudence displays a lack of respect and consideration for others and can have negative consequences for those who engage in it.